Oh God, why are you on top of me? Okay. Yeah, right. All right. Okay. Oh my God. Okay.
What's up? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be installing bumper spacers from Boss Off-Road. Yeah, Boss Off-Road, right? Today we're going to be installing bumper spacers. No, wait, I don't want to start with Today we're bringing back my buddy's 2019 Toyota Tundra, and we're installing a bull bar from Topline. But before we do that, we're going to actually install bumper spacers by Bumper spacers by Boss Off-Road that's actually gonna space out the front bumper just enough to clear these tires in front from rubbing. But first we gotta remove this license plate. Did not expect that to happen. But that was easy.
So these are the bolts you're going to be looking for when we install these bumper spacers. We're going to remove these three, loosen the other side, and pull the bumper out just enough to sneak those spacers in. So it should be a pretty easy install. So it looks like you're gonna have 3 10s, so don't forget to remove those as well. Alright, so now we're going to start installing the bull bar. We're going to start by removing the tow hooks on both sides. These are 17mm bolts, and installing the supplied brackets.
that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you for watching. We got the top line bull bar installed on the Tundra, along with the bumper spacers by, what the hell is it again? Damn. You had a sticker in your truck? Boss Off-Road, along with the bumper spacers by Boss Off-Road installed, gave us plenty of clearance for the front tires now. And there's some new features on the truck too. You got some new vinyl wrap that I haven't showed you guys yet. The blacked out American flag looks amazing, and he has train horns now. So thanks for watching. To answer a lot of you guys' questions that you've been asking me about where a lot of these parts come from, majority of it is eBay. I'm not sure where the other parts come from, but if you check eBay first, it might answer your question. And if not, hit me up in the comments and I'll do my best to find out for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.